welcome to ABC Kid Show.
Hi kids, welcome back. Let's learn how to make capital B with colorful beads. B for butterfly. B for butterfly. First of all, we will make a big standing line. This is a standing line. Now we will draw a curve. B. B. So we have made a beautiful big B. This is a capital B. B for butterfly. B for butterfly. We will learn next alphabet C in next video. Till then, bye. Bye bye.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.